Hey, it's Anissa. I have a tremendous deal on this CleanZone CPAP sanitizer. Now, you might have seen this on TV. Let's take a look.
Attention CPAP users. Germs and bacteria can grow inside your reservoir, tubing, and mask. And cleaning them can be an expensive, difficult task. When you need to breathe easy, sleep great, and stay healthy, what you need is CleanZone, the affordable, portable CPAP cleaner and sanitizer. Just press, and CleanZone automatically cleans, sanitizes, and eliminates 99% of germs and bacteria from every surface of your CPAP reservoir, tube, and mask in minutes. No water, no added chemicals, no worries. You'll breathe in healthy, clean air and sleep peacefully.
I used to bug him to clean the CPAP machine, and I worried about how dirty it was.
But with the CleanZone, I just attach it to the tube, and within minutes it's clean.
We love the price, too.
The secret is activated oxygen that is created by CleanZone's internal O3 generator. Plus, it's lightweight, compact, and portable.
I looked at other CPAP cleaners, and when I compared quality and price, CleanZone was my clear choice.
I can sleep with the peace of mind knowing that I'm breathing clean.
CleanZone works with virtually all make and model CPAP machines. It's powered by a long-lasting rechargeable battery and is maintenance-free. Just press, and CleanZone does the rest.
Now, this is great, but one thing I don't think they showed you enough is how this works. The secret is in this bag. You simply open it up, put the CleanZone machine in and all your accessories, and let it destroy those germs and bacteria. Now, because the CleanZone is so small, it's so portable. And it comes with this travel case so you can keep all your CleanZone accessories in there, but also your CPAP machine, hoses, and other accessories. So it's great for travel. Now, because it's portable, it has a built-in rechargeable battery. I do want to point out, it does take a while to charge it up, so please be patient. And you'll be happy to know that this is both an FSA and HSA approved insurance item. That's because it's FDA registered as a Class 1 device. But probably the best thing of all is our insanely low price. These can sell for as much as $80. You're not going to pay anywhere near that. In fact, our price is so low, we can't say it on camera. So head on over to our site and grab your CleanZone today.